Meet RE/MAX Ultimate's Brokerwise.AI, the AI assistant that puts your entire brokerage's power in your hands. As a real estate professional, time is your most valuable asset, and Brokerwise.AI helps you use it smarter. This mobile AI assistant gives you instant access to the tools, answers, and resources you need throughout your day, helping you work faster, stay accurate, and deliver a better client experience. Brokerwise.AI can help you with OREA Standard Forms and Clause Guidance, market statistics for your real estate board's cities and districts, instant social media posts for your listings, professional brochures and postcards, access to office documents and resources, information about your fellow agents, and submitting inquiries to leadership team. Now, let's take a look at how you can use the app properly and how easily Brokerwise.AI understands and responds to real questions you may have. Let's start with one of the most common challenges: OREA forms and clauses. Whenever you're unsure about how to word a technical clause or which form applies to a specific sales scenario, Brokerwise.AI can guide you instantly. Next, you can request instant market statistics simply by using a city or district name. Brokerwise.AI analyzes areas recognized by your real estate board as long as they're spelled correctly, and delivers clear market summaries. More regions will continue to be added over time. You can generate instant social media posts by simply asking the system to create a post and including your property's MLS number as the reference. Brokerwise.AI will give you a set of templates to choose from. You can even ask it to suggest a caption. Your brokerage branding, pulled directly from your Remarketer account, is automatically applied, and your design is instantly downloadable for use on all your social channels. You can also create beautiful brochures or postcards just as easily. Your design will be ready within seconds, fully branded, and downloadable for print or digital use. Brokerwise.AI also gives you quick access to your brokerage's documents, guides, and policies. The system will instantly return the correct folder link from your brokerage's resource library. Need another agent's contact details? Just ask. Brokerwise.AI will locate their information from the brokerage roster in seconds. Finally, if you ever need assistance from management, you can ask for leadership advice. Brokerwise.AI will automatically summarize your conversation and send it to your brokerage managers for follow-up. With Brokerwise.AI, everything you need as an agent is now at your fingertips. Forms, clauses, stats, marketing tools, office resources, your colleagues, and your support team. Get started today. Download Brokerwise.AI from the Apple App Store or Google Play and take your productivity as an agent to the next level.